Let's start with something you might have heard. A lot of people believe getting a dental implant is a very painful experience. They imagine days of discomfort and struggle. I am here to tell you that this is mostly a myth. The truth is much gentler. Your dentist works hard to make you comfortable. They use local anesthesia during the procedure. This means you will feel very little, if anything at all. Afterwards, you might feel some soreness, which is normal, but this is usually managed well with simple pain medicine. Most people find themselves back to their normal routine very quickly. So what exactly is a dental implant? Think of it as a new root for your tooth. It is a tiny post, usually made of titanium. A skilled dentist carefully places this post into your jawbone. It is a foundation. This small but mighty post acts just like a natural tooth root. Once it is healed and secure, a new crown or even a denture can be attached to it. It is a modern solution that brings back the simple joy of a complete smile. It is completely understandable why people worry. The idea of any dental surgery can feel a little scary. You might worry about the process. You might worry about how you will feel. Maybe you are concerned about how it will look in the end. These are all valid thoughts. People often fear the unknown, especially when it comes to their health and their appearance. The goal of this conversation is to replace that worry with facts. We want to give you clear, honest information. This helps you make the best choice for you, with confidence and peace of mind. Understanding the details can make a world of difference. When you know what to expect, the fear starts to fade away. We are going to walk through this together, step by step. We will cover the benefits. We will cover the timeline. We will discuss who is a good fit for implants. We will even talk about the cost. Knowing the full story empowers you. It puts you in the driver's seat of your own dental health journey. Let's get you the answers you deserve so you can stop guessing and start smiling. Let's address another big question. The cost. Many people think dental implants are only for the wealthy. It is true that the upfront cost can be more than other options, but it is important to see the bigger picture. Think of an implant as a long-term investment in your health and your quality of life. Unlike other solutions that may need to be replaced or adjusted over time, implants are built to last. Many can last a lifetime with the right care. This durability can save you money and time in the long run. The benefits go far beyond just filling a space. An implant stimulates the jawbone, just like a natural root does. This helps keep your bone healthy and strong. It also protects your neighboring teeth. It stops them from shifting into the empty gap, which can cause other problems. Implants allow you to eat your favorite foods with ease. They help you speak clearly. And of course, they restore the natural beauty of your smile. Like any medical procedure, there are some risks to consider. These are important to discuss with your dentist. The risks are very low, especially with an experienced professional. There is a small chance of infection at the implant site. Very rarely, there could be some nerve irritation. Choosing a dentist with extensive training and a great track record is your best defense. They will carefully plan your procedure. They will also give you detailed instructions for aftercare to ensure everything heals perfectly. Your safety is always the top priority. So, how long does all of this take? The timeline for a dental implant is a journey, not a single appointment. It requires patience. After the implant post is placed, there is a healing period. This is called osseointegration. It is when your jawbone fuses with the implant. This process can take a few months. It is the most critical step for long-term success. Once your dentist confirms the implant is stable and fully healed, they can then attach your beautiful new crown. The journey explained. Who is a good candidate for a dental implant? The great news is that most healthy adults are. The main requirements are healthy gums, and enough bone in your jaw to hold the implant. If you have been missing a tooth for a while, you may have some bone loss. But do not worry. This does not automatically rule you out. Your dentist can often perform a bone graft. A bone graft adds bone material to your jaw. That creates a solid foundation for the future implant. It's a common and predictable step. Certain health conditions and lifestyle habits need special attention. If you are a smoker, smoking can slow down healing. It can increase the risk of implant failure. Your dentist will strongly encourage you to quit, at least during the healing process. Conditions like uncontrolled diabetes can also affect healing. Your dental team will work closely with your medical doctor. They want to make sure your overall health is stable before beginning. Graphic. The 4 main steps: consultation, placement, healing, final crown. It all starts with a consultation. Your dentist will perform a thorough exam of your mouth. they will take X-rays, and possibly a three-dimensional CBCT scan. This gives them a detailed map of your jawbone and nerves. That allows for precise planning. The next step is the placement surgery. This is often a surprisingly quick and gentle procedure, done right in the dental office with local anesthesia. You will be comfortable the entire time. After the implant post is placed, the healing phase begins. You will go home with simple care instructions. Your body will then do its amazing work of fusing bone to the implant. Your dentist will monitor your progress. Once everything is solid and integrated, it is time for the final step. Your dentist will take an impression to create your custom crown. The result is a seamless, beautiful new tooth. Taking care of your dental implant is actually quite simple. In fact, you care for it just like you would your natural teeth. This is one of the best things about them. There are no special glues or soaking solutions required. You will need to brush your teeth twice a day. Use a soft, bristled toothbrush to be gentle on your gums and the crown. It is also very important to clean between your teeth every single day. You can use traditional dental floss, or a water flosser can be a great tool for cleaning around the implant. Your regular dental checkups are more important than ever. You should plan to see your dentist and hygienist at least 2 times a year. They have special instruments to clean around the implant without scratching it. These visits allow them to check on the health of your gums and the stability of the implant. They can catch any potential issues when they are small and easy to manage. Think of these appointments as routine maintenance to protect your wonderful investment. Consistent professional care is the secret to a lifetime of success. Are there any restrictions after you get your implant? Right after the placement surgery, your dentist will advise you to eat soft foods. This gives the area time to heal without any pressure. But once the implant is fully healed and your final crown is in place, you can get back to eating normally. You can enjoy crunchy apples, steak, and corn on the cob. Of course, it is always wise to be careful with extremely hard things, like chewing on ice or opening packages with your teeth. This is good advice for natural teeth too. Many people ask if others will be able to tell they have an implant. The answer is almost always no. Dental implants are designed to look and feel incredibly natural. The custom-made crown is matched perfectly to the shade of your other teeth. It emerges from the gum line, just like a real tooth would. No one will know you have an implant unless you decide to tell them. You can speak, laugh, and smile with complete confidence, knowing that your smile looks whole and authentic. So, you have learned the facts and busted the myths. What is the next logical step on this journey? It all begins with a simple conversation. Schedule an appointment with your dentist. This initial meeting is your chance to ask all of your questions in a comfortable setting. Your dentist will perform a complete examination. They will look at the health of your teeth and gums. They will likely take some X-rays to see the condition of your jawbone. This first step is all about gathering information. When you meet with your dentist, feel free to be direct. Ask them about their experience with dental implants. You can ask how many they place each year. You can inquire about their specific training and success rates. Do not be afraid to talk about the financial aspect. Ask for a clear breakdown of the costs, insurance coverage, or payment plans they might offer. A good dentist will be happy to provide this information. They want you to feel fully informed and comfortable with your decision. Remember, it is always okay to get a second opinion. This is a significant decision about your health. Feeling confident in your dental team is so important. Hearing the perspective of another qualified professional can give you added peace of mind. It can confirm that you are on the right path. Your health is your priority, and you are in control of the process. Taking the time to find the right fit is a smart move. You want a team you trust and feel a great connection with. Dental implants are not a magic wand. They are a carefully planned medical procedure that requires your participation and patience. But the result can be truly life-changing. They can restore your ability to enjoy your favorite foods. They can help you speak with clarity. Most importantly, they can give you back the freedom to smile without a second thought. If you are living with a missing tooth, take that first step. Make the call. A brighter, more confident smile could be waiting for you. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.